War never ends, neither does my determination. Demons, I shall be your eternal nightmare. Demons, step forward if you have a death wish. War never ends, neither does my determination. Dead or alive, vengeance shall be mine. Don't tread on my freedom. No one can escape me. Me? Kneel? Puh, never! Solitude is my closest friend. Failure is not an option. Hey, hey! See my admirers behind me? Cold, but not cruel. Prepare to die! Charge, Knights of Night!
May the Force be with you. Be mindful of your thoughts, they betray you. Hello there. A great leap forward often requires taking 2 steps back. Very impressive. Some might argue that the strongest defense is a swift and decisive offense. I have work to do. There's too much at stake here. I will do what I must. You can kill me, but you will never destroy me. Skill is the child of patience. Always on the move. This is going to be easy. Now, let's get a move on. We've got a battle to win here. The Force gives me power. I have the high ground. So uncivilized.